Hi friends, my cousin Michy makes the most beautiful ice-dyed silk scarves. I have some of them here with me. You've probably heard me talk about these a lot on my channel. She sent me them over the years and I wear them a lot in my videos. I have gotten requests to show you how I've been tying them, particularly how I use them as headscarves. So in this video, I thought I would just give that a try. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. All right, this will be kind of short and sweet because I think a lot of people already know how to tie scarves, around your neck. There's lots and lots of tutorials around that. I'll show you a few things here, but I really want to show you how I've been using these beauties as headscarves or to add sort of color around my head, my face, and also not have to wash my hair when I'm going out. This one is really beautiful. It's in my favorite color, green. It's pretty, like, good thickness, and it's super, super, super long. So clearly I can do a lot of stuff with this one, tie it around my neck in a whole bunch of different ways, in ties. I think we've seen a lot of these already. But to put this into a headscarf, which is what you've been asking me about, I'm just gonna take it and put it in half like this. And then I'm gonna look, this one is gonna be almost like a hat because it's kind of big. So I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna take it and just sort of tie it in the back here. I'm just gonna do one, just a close knot, not a full-on knot, but just tie it like that. And then it's really fun, I'm gonna place it around. So you have these long ends. So what I do is I'm gonna twist them around. Twist, twist. And then I'm gonna play around with just kind of crisscrossing it here, keep knotting it, and this just kind of like tie them in, put it in like that. Around the side here, I'm just tucking. I guess tucking is the word that I'm doing. Tucking it, making it snug. Play around with my bangs a little. But it really does turn into like the prettiest kind of scarf hat. You can see back here. Super easy. These silk scarves, they feel so great on, and they're really easy to work with, my cousin's scarves. They really, really are. And you can pin it in if you need, but I just kind of tuck it around, keep rolling it, and there you have it, like a little hat. Here's another nice long one in this beautiful like reds with these gold almost in it. It's not as long as the green one. It's about the same thickness, and tons of stuff that I can do here in the way of just tying a really cute bow. These silk, they just feel so nice to do. They're so easy to do, and you can like shape them into a bunch of different ways. I mean, I think most people know how to do this kind of stuff, right? But bows, ties, all sorts of stuff here. But to wear this around my head, which I love, I'm gonna do it not as much of a full hat, but more like a kind of, I don't know, scarf or headbandy type thing. So I'm gonna actually put it in half. I'm gonna take this one and put it in half so it's not quite as wide. And then what I'm gonna do, I want to keep like a little bit, I don't want it to be the same length. I'm not gonna go halfway because I wanna do a little bow on the side here. So, or not a bow, like a tie. Well, you'll see what I mean. Not speaking well, but so I'm just gonna go back like this again and make it nice and, nice and tight around here. Then I'm gonna bring it up. And since this side is, which side is longer? This side is longer. So I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm gonna put it in a little knot. I'm not like a big bow on my head person. So instead I'm doing just a knot here. Can't really see what I'm doing, so bear with me. A little knot. And then again, just kind of fix it up a little bit, but it's kind of cute, just a little knot there. And then I can tuck back here. Just a cool pop of color, play with my bangs, get that all right. But I really love wearing this scarf like this. Super fun. And then finally, there's this one that is more of a really pretty square shaped and not quite as thick. So again, you know, just in a V, tie it around your neck, kind of a really pretty Frenchy look, you know, that you can wear like just down or over to the side. You know, it's not too big, so you can do a lot of stuff. Adds really pretty pop of color, feels delicious on. But I'm really kind of liking this whole babushka look that I've been seeing. So here I'm just gonna put it into, you know, a triangle this way though, so that the longer part of the triangle is out. And then I'm just gonna tie it around like a babushka type thing. I don't know what this is being called now, like you would tie a bandana or something, but I think it looks really cool with more of a silky scarf like this. I'm having trouble just with the like little tying in the back here, but it's only because I can't see what I'm doing. I'm feeling it. But anyway, so just a cute little kind of babushka thing. If you have a little bigger scarf, it also looks cool to have it kind of go down. But this one will do for me for now, so that's kind of fun. I love these options for the headscarves. If my hair is kind of dirty or I don't want to wash it and I'm going out, I think it's really a fun way to cover that up, but still have it look kind of fun and nice. So anyway, that's the third kind of headscarf thing I've been playing with. All right, well, that's about it for now. I hope that's helpful. I would love to know if you try anything like that. Again, I think the fact that these scarves are just like the perfect weight of silk, just perfectly done and so beautiful, really does make it easier to do. If you're interested in finding out how to get some of Michy's beautiful scarves, I will put that information in the description below. If you have cool ways that you've been tying scarves, particularly around your head, I would love to know that too. Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you, Michy, for your beautiful work. I'm a big fan. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.
If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications.